Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll draw a stair for our building, and that was incomplete. And here in this video, I'll try to complete that. And if you're new here, you can watch the previous video, and there have many videos related to civil engineering. So the link are given in description with playlist, and also the all video link are given in description for STAAD Pro version V8i and Series 6. So let's start. First of all, I'll open STAAD Pro and I'll go in our previous model. Here is our previous model, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous video. So I'll check on thing here. I'll check something that yes, it's done. Here is our beam. Okay, go here, geometry. After that, I will go here from plus y, and by using here geometry cursor, by using geometry cursor, I'll select I'll select that total portion for our work purpose. Okay, it's done. Then click here, view, selected object only here, and go to 3D mode. So close that, and here you are seeing that this is the, if we use also that control here and control here, this is our, if we go in rotational mode, and here we're seeing that these are slab and these are beam. So first of all, I will define plate. So click here, control, click here, and also click here. After that, go to property page. Here select, from here select plate thickness, select plate thickness first, then select our plate. Here is one, here is one, here is one, here is one, and here is one. These are 3 plate, and plate thickness concrete, assign to selected plate, assign, yes, we have assigned that. After that, we'll replicate our plate now. So for that, we'll select that, we'll use here geometry cursor, then control, click here, click, sorry, not that point, click here, also click here, then click here, also click that option, and also here. So, and also that plate. We have all successfully selected our all portion. Now we'll just go for replicate. So from here, how time we'll replicate that? 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 time, we'll go for replicate. Close that, and then click here, transitional repeat, and our every time replicate will be 10 feet. So on 0 10 feet, and it will be for 4 time, and it will be in positive y direction. Okay, it's done. Then press OK. So we have done that. We have done the top floor, and we'll go for a check. Go to 3D mode. So I will enlarge that, and if we go here, you are seeing that we have successfully draw our stair. So it's done. Till top floor we have draw our stair. Now I have to mesh that stair, so I'll go ahead geometry, and from here I'll select plate cursor. Carefully I'll select only that plate. Okay. You have to turn it carefully so that we can do it perfectly. Maybe we have done it. Maybe oh, sorry, we have miss here. Okay, you have to press Ctrl, and after that you have to draw that, select that plate. So let's again check here. Okay, we have draw on every plate. Then we'll take the mouse here and right click and go here, generate plate mesh, then press OK. Then it's as same or previous. So it's meshing. It will take some time. Okay, it's taking some time. After that mesh, our preparation of our model, it's completely ready, and then we have to assign load, define load, and have to assign on our building. So it's done. Now we'll click here, view to selected object only. Yes, again view to selected object. So it's done. Geometry, plate, surface, solid, beam. Okay, for geometry it's done now. And again, if we go here, go to in 3D mode, if we go here, you're seeing that we have done that perfectly, and we have draw our stair here, dog leg stair. So you're seeing that we have drawn that perfectly. So in this way we can draw our stair, and we have to done something that in our bottom floor here there will be no balcony for our bottom floor. Our balcony will be start from that floor. So similarly for that side, we have to delete that. So let's go geometry, go to in 3D mode, and click here. From Z direction, you are seeing that it's showing perfectly. So first of all, by clicking here, geometry cursor will select that floor. Then we'll go here, view, selected object only, and we'll go in 3D mode. So here again I'll go view from plus Y, and here I'll zoom that so that I can identify perfectly. Okay, here is your beam for bottom floor. Now use here geometry cursor, and from here to that point I will select that carefully. Sorry, from here to here. First of all, I will use plate cursor from that point to that point. Press Ctrl, click here, also select that plate. Okay, then press delete. Okay, yes, it's done. And there have some plate also, select that. Okay, again delete. Yes, we have delete all plates. Now again we'll go here, beam cursor, we'll select that beam, also that, and zoom that, also delete, select that on, also select that. You have to press Ctrl when you do that, then press delete, then OK, yes, it's done. Again for that's it. Save for plate cursor. We have to select plate from here, then press delete. OK, yes, and for beam cursor from here to perfectly, have to select that. If you see here, we have to select that one, sorry, that one, also that one, and also sorry, not that one, that one. Oops. Have to zoom that. Okay, you have select all beams here and press delete, then OK, yes, here one have not deleted, so it is yes. Okay, we have done now. Now we'll go in 3D mode. Sorry, we have delete a column here, so again we'll go undo, Okay, it's done. Here now it's okay, and again we'll go in plus y direction view. From here we'll select by using beam cursor, we'll delete that. Yes, yes, we'll again zoom that, and we'll select that 2 node. I'll go in 3D mode to see what I'm selecting. So delete that. Yes, yes, again select, zoom that, control, select that one carefully. Okay, again select not wall, and okay, I've done selected. Press OK. Yes, now we have done everything perfectly. And from plus view, where is our model? Here is our model. If we lose that, we have to click geometry, then from seal from plus y view, and by using node cursor we'll delete the 3 node. Press delete. Yes. So after that, in 3D view, and after that click here view selected object only. Yes, then view. Here we're seeing that everything are okay. Now we can go in 3D mode. Here it's okay now. For upper story, they have available no, they have available balcony, but for down story, I mean for base story, it's not. So I think it's helpful for you, and in our next video I will assign load on our building, and after that I will go for design, analysis and design. So stay well, stay connected till next video. Thank you very much.